Right. So the next thing we're going to look into is how to do some operations and how to do some actual programming. So let's go make sure you're on the block diagram, left click anywhere on the blank part and right click. Now you will see a different functions palette. So here you will see a lot of different functions. So let's go now to numeric. And here you will see all kinds of operations you could do to numeric variables. So you can square them, you can do, you can add stuff, subtract stuff. This is just part of the things you can do. There's also ways to save to a file. There's ways to compare variables. There's you can read things from strings. Format things, read things from strings. You can do some operations like AND or gate. So if you want to set several conditions that need to be met, you would use an AND gate and so on. So here is basically where you have all the built-in LabVIEW functions. So let's start with simple things. Let's start with a mathematical operation. Let's just square a number. So left click that and place it on the block diagram. Now you will see that whenever we place a LabVIEW function, it will have an input and an output. Okay, so this will be the input and this is the output. So why don't we simply square our number that we've just generated? So make sure that before you click anything that you've got this wiring icon. So if it looks like this, you're not doing anything. If it looks like this, you're just moving around. So make sure when the cursor hovers on top of it, it looks like a wire. So now left click and go ahead and wire it to the input of the variable. So now we want to see the result. So right click, create an indicator. So get used to doing that because that's the simplest way of generating indicators. So let's go check how and see how this works. So go back to the front panel. Now you'll see here my nice x squared indicator. So let's put something simple. Let's put 5. If we square that, now that's 25. So clearly you can see how this works.